What about artificial sweeteners? There's so much evidence of problems that these cause, from cancer to brain tumors. All 3 people that I've had as patients that had severe, fatal brain tumors were all heavy consumers of aspartame. All 3. Now, I live in a small little bubble, so that may mean nothing. But I've seen the research that shows that aspartame causes brain tumors. I've seen it, and it's not just a study. There's like dozens of studies. So a better choice, stevia. A better choice than that, kick your sweet tooth. Oh, what about agave? It's more natural. Yeah, so's tequila. It's not. This stuff is almost 100% fructose, which bypasses your normal insulin loads and fries your liver directly. A better choice would have been just go with honey. Something in the bee's enzyme process makes this stuff last for thousands of years. We found jars of honey that are estimated to be as old as 6,000 years old. Still good. Coconut sugar. There's better choices. Don't be fooled by, smoothies are better for you. No, they're not. No, they're not. Okay? You go down and get your agualas and you go get your jambas. I mean, just go get the McDonald's milkshake. I mean, just go with it. I mean, if you're going to do it, you know? Better choice is juice your veggies. It takes a while to develop a palate for it. It does. But once you do, I mean, it's like you get to a point where it's not only is it not bad, for a lot of times it's just kind of net neutral. It's kind of net neutral, you know, for me, a lot of them. They're not good or bad. They just like, hey, I know this is fuel. My body needs fuel. I'm building cells every moment of every day, and I choose to build them out of good building blocks. I choose that. And it's not that relevant whether or not I go, you know? I got a hot wife. I get pleasures other ways.